Sorry.
You okay?
Yeah. Oh, I just have the hiccups.
Yeah.
Remember when you had the hiccups for 48 hours?
Something like that. Yeah.
That was insane.
I was not.
I called the doctor. And I think he thought I was joking. I was like, my husband's had the hiccups for 48 hours after this procedure.
Yeah.
He had no advice. He thought I was joking.
I didn't give a shit. It's just like, you know, it's not serious. Like I'm not bleeding again, or I'm not,
Right.
Hiccups, fuck them.
Wow. And you were in so much pain too. And you were like, it's not funny. Like it's literally not funny. I felt so bad. I don't know what I could do. It's like, what did you do to him? Ooh, excuse me. I always think about that. You just never know.
You can add me back on your maps.
Really?
Yeah.
What happened?
We got new phones. It disabled it.
I got you.
Trying to see where you were going to stop for food earlier.
I was wondering why you would say that.
Because if you were going to stop at like McDonald's or something, I was going to be like, we're like cheeseburger or
Fuck yeah.
whatever. But then I was just like, oh, I can't see if you stopped anywhere. And then I was just like,
I lied you. Send me your location, baby. Help. I'm gonna get some sushi. And sake.
Get a mixed sake and of course.
Hell yeah, I will.
Plus whatever you're gonna get at Arizona.
Fuck yeah. This Friday night, baby. You know what I'm saying? Ah! Son of a bitch. I don't even have water. Oh, I do have water in here.
From the show. It's like a little congested since earlier.
Since earlier? Yesterday? Yesterday?
No, since like an hour or two.
I've been okay. I actually feel so much better since I got that freaking tooth fixed. It's insane.
See how it goes the rest of the day, see how it feels tomorrow.
I know, like, let's give this some time.
It's probably gonna be sore as hell tomorrow.
Oh yeah, but honestly, I think all I need is just some ibuprofen. Midwest. I like to read license plates. Try to see what they say. If they say something like abbreviated. Sushi. Spicy sushi. Can we go look for some minifigs?
You wanna go to the bookstore?
I just want to hunt for minifigs. Those trees are so beautiful. They're bright orange. So beautiful.
Is there a Verizon store at the mall?
In the mall?
Yeah.
Not one that you'd want to go to. Well, I don't think so. No. It's in Central Park. Okay, let's see. Oh. Will you open this for me? I can't open it. It's like 9 minutes in and I'm done.
Huh? Don't. Hey. You've had that much to drink. What happened?
No.
It's okay.
I really haven't. I really haven't.